Watching Scoots on the railing here just reminded me of Dipper. He used to like standing there looking up, looking out. It's all cicada related. The crows aren't about. There are a number of cats in the garden. We were all heading off down the end of the garden. There's Callie and Thumper. Trauma. There's Trauma. And Hair Bear with the summer tail. Scoots. And Mabel in one of her favourite trees. In fact, this video you'll see her in both of her favourite trees. Cicada hunting in the trees goes on every day. But because most of them are blind, they never catch anything in the trees. If they catch anything at all, it's on the ground. And by the time the cicadas are on the ground, they're on their last legs, and they stand no chance. It's just great to watch them up and down the trees, being cats. That's the important part, is that they can go up and down trees and be themselves. A question I see online a lot is, can blind cats climb trees? Now, for all of you that have been here for some time, you know that they can. But the majority of people still think that they can't. It's wonderful to have so much proof to actually show people. It's just sad I haven't got hardly anyone to show them to at the moment. So we're up, which is coming down the tree in the centre of the garden.
Well done, Mabel. Well done.
And then we're all going to make our way up the far end.
Well done.
There's Scoots and Hair Bear. Trauma. Mountain climber. No 2 days are ever the same. I can't actually tell you that they're going to play around every morning. They don't. Yesterday morning they had a whale of a time. All of them, all of the cats were in the garden. It's unusual because normally Chico will go off, but Scoots, Harry, Chica, they was all around, and I've got it all on video. This morning I've got more shorts than I've got video. So they were going back. This is Mabel's second favourite tree. It's the big old olive tree at the far end. I mean, there was much sniffing and scratching going on. And it was then that Mabel decided that she was going to go up again. Trauma looked. Scoots wasn't interested. Scoots goes up when I could really do without it. Sunday night, it was another hot day. I'd had a few beers. I was ready for my bed. I was in my dressing gown and I couldn't find Scoots. out the corner of my eye, I saw a movement at the end of the garden, so I just went down there. Trainers, dressing gown, feeling happy. As I got to the small gate, it scoots, but he's up high, and he's not sure about turning round, so I had to go and get the ladders. Now I've got the ladders, and I'm going up the ladders at an angle. In the dressing gown, in the trainers, feeling happy. Well, I was feeling not so much happy at this point, more wobbly. And I eventually got to Scoots, who wasn't happy to come down. So he put up a little bit of a fight, and I was just glad to get back down on the ground. And then I took him in. That's not on video, by the way. I'll tell you what, there's something else that's happening just lately. Every time I go for a shower, Wolfie appears. Chico, he's taken to climbing up on top of the wardrobes. Now, these wardrobes are 2 metres high. But he won't wait for me to lift him down. He prefers to climb and jump down from 2 metres. And I actually got that on a short yesterday. Wolfie I will catch on video in the shower with me. So we were nearly finished in the garden. There is Trauma going up the bank. Yes, she found one. It was worth it. I think it must have flown off from the look on her face and the way she'd moved. Hope you've all enjoyed the video, everyone. If you have and you'd like to know more, it would be wonderful if you could get my subscribes back on the move again, my views, watch time and everything else. And as usual, I will see you all again later. The big video, there's a problem with it. I can't do a voiceover, which is sad because Harry is at his very best. So I need to edit it again, be a shorter version. I'll do it all for you again later.